everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I wanna learn to speak in English, so I wanna speak in English but in Japanese accent. So first of all, maybe we move to the eyeshadow part. Take some sticky tape. I wanna use this regular sticky tape to make a shape for the eyes. And then I will zoom the camera, maybe like this. Okay, take off the glasses and place the sticky tape. Okay, and since my eyes is so hooded and a little bit hooded, so I will use what is eyelid tape, maybe. I use this eyelid tape. And then after this, I will use the foundation from LA Girl as a eyeshadow base. And then for the eyeshadow, I will use the Color palette, and this is Bright Look, and I use copper rose color. I'll use it in the crease. And then I use the toffee color. Oh, I thought that's black, but that's red. So I will just move to carbon color. Now I'm trying to make a cut crease. That's not sharp enough. So now with a flat brush from Wet n Wild, I will use Gold Mine color. This is shimmery, golden shimmery, for the inner corner. After Gold Mine color, so I'm back to the Dubai color. This is black, shimmery, creamy color. Getting the eyeshadow is just like this, and for the lower shadow, I use the excess for the inner corner. Maybe I'll use the pencil brush and take a black color, carbon color again, just a little bit carbon, and smooth the lower lash line. and then back to the shimmery color. And this is eyeshadow for the eye, and I use the my eyeliner. It's a little bit dry, so I think I will make some mistake. So praying for a little bit, praying for a success for the eyeliner. This is the scariest thing, I think, with the pretty eyeshadow. And okay, I'm not expert at eyeliner, so I just can make eyeliner like this. Hey, maybe I wanna use moonlight color for the brow bone. Hope it worked correctly. Hope it worked correctly for the brow bone moonlight color. Blend a little bit and the inner corner and the inner corner, and I will do my right eye, left eye off to the camera. Okay, I'm back with my full face. So next I wanna use some foundation. This is foundation from LA Girl in the shade tan. So I just apply this foundation in all over my face, and last time I used this foundation is not working well, and my skin is sore, so I think this foundation is not matched with my skin. And for around the eyes, I will use the small brush. And then I use the stippling brush. This is from Real Technique. I think I wanna remove this eye bag, so I wanna search my concealer. So now for the concealer, I use the Nappy Duo Concealer, and I will apply this with some small brush. And I use some of this concealer to highlight my nose, also my temple. So for the contour, I use the concealer too, but it's very dark, and this is from LA Girl Petty Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So I will take a very little bit of this black concealer, dark concealer, for the contour. Okay, just a little bit, and then I will use for the cheeks, maybe once more. So it's time for blend it out. Maybe I will blend it up with my finger. So I'm back again. It's time for the powder. So this is, I use March powder. This is from a Kimia Pharma. Paris powder on my under eye. I just tap the powder around my face press it so the powder can absorb in all over my face. And then after that I will use this brush from Real Technique to swipe up all the excess. So for the bronzer I will use the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sunlight. I'm not gonna use a contour powder because I don't have a contour powder right now. So I just wanna use this bronzer.
Is something wrong with this? Is something wrong with this contour? It's not precision. Oh my god. Wait, it's Croa.
Okay, no problem. It's Croa. Yep, actually it's Croa. So for the blush I will use the Colourpop Super Soft Cheek Matte. Colourpop Super Soft Cheek Matte. And for the highlighter I use the Colourpop Over the Moon. So for the lipstick, it's I wanna use from Mineral Botanica in the shade Miss Nolita. So but it's not covering anything. So first of all, I wanna use this Sleek Matte Me to cover all my lips. And now let it dry, and then use the black lipstick. See, it's not cover anything. Is it dry? Is it dry? Is it dry? Hi, and I'm back again with some eyelashes on. I'm not pro at applying some false lashes, but I'm trying to apply this. So this is my final look. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye bye.